use the green yarn. Crochet the jaw part of the flower. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger. Let's start. Use the thicker end. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and crochet a cast-on. Yarn over. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. Continue to crochet 5 single crochets. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind. Yarn over 2 loops. This is a single crochet. We place the marker in the first stitch. This is a stitch. Continue to crochet the second single crochet. Pass through the cast-on ring, wind and yarn over. Pass through the cast-on ring, wind and yarn over. Crochet 5 single crochets for 5. After 5 single crocheted on, take the yarn off. Tighten the end of the yarn. And the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the stitch. The first lap has done. Wind and yarn over a cast on. The second lap is to crochet 5 increases. Is to crochet 2 single crochet in same stitch. After cast on and pass through the stitch of cast on. Crochet 2 single crochet in this stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochet in same stitch. Pass through the same stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Pass through. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochet in same stitch. Wind and yarn over. The last one. Single crochet after the last one on. Make a slip stitch. With the first stitch. Wind. Yarn over. The third lap, crochet and single crochets. The third, the fourth, the fifth part and single crochets 2. Crochet a chain stitch as a cast on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast on. Crochet and single crochets. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet and single crochets. Go on. After done, make a slip stitch. With the first stitch. The fourth is to crochet a chain stitch as a cast on. Go on. The 5th, crochet a slip stitch. Tighten the loop. Continue to crochet the 6th flap. The 6th flap is same as the lace of the carnation. Also crochet 3 chain stitches. 1 2 chain stitches. 3 stitches as a cast on. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. And then continue 3 chain stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue 3 chain stitches. 1 2 3. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. 1 2 3. One, two, three. Crochet a single crochet. Crochet a single crochet again. 1 2 3. The last stitch. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Yarn over. And then pull up the loop. Cut off the yarn. The job is done. After that we need to hide its yarn. Hide its yarn. This place the yarn. Wind and the yarn over. The yarn can be sewed with a sewing needle. Yarn over from the bottom. It's okay to use crochet. Yarn over. And assemble the two parts. The blue yarn has remained a long section. Then, pinch this part below this. Like this. Use the longer one. Tie this part below. Wind twice. After winding, yarn over the yarn by crochet. This is okay. Adjust the shape of the flower. Like this. The last two yarn. Put on sewing needle. Yarn over the bottom. Put it inside. Pull the end of the yarn. These are assembled together. A carnation has done.